Resignation of Tinubus vice Shettima as campaign poster for his replacement arrives Abuja. This information is just going viral everywhere. It started just 3 days ago when Bola Ahmed Tinubu's poster and the poster of the new Vice President of Nigeria arrived Abuja, and also Kaduna. The information has really gone viral as Shettima has been told to do the needful to quickly resign before they kick him out themselves. Alright, my dear people, I greet everybody out there listening to us through this very channel. It's been wonderful having you here in this very channel. Thank you so much for giving me yet another opportunity. Yes, in the letter addressed to the Vice President Kashim Shettima, he has been warned and advised by his lawyer, a soulmate, advising him to do the needful. Shettima, who is the Vice President to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, has been called to resign before he's kicked out quietly out of Aso Rock. A campaign poster of the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and his new vice has arrived Abuja, Kaduna, Zamfara, Nasarawa, and also some other parts of the country. This is now a mind-blowing information as the Vice President Shettima is willing and prepared to leave Aso Villa. The Nigerian President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has made up his mind for a replacement, but hasn't done it as announced. A public announcement will be expected from the president if this could be true. Shettima, who is already expecting this very announcement, has gotten himself prepared as his lawyers have called for his immediate resignation. Though information concerning this very plan has not been made available by the president, but informant has made it open to the vice president and all that is concerned. He has also stressed that allowing this information to reach the main people will really cause extreme war in the north. The Northerners already have called themselves to order. Governors, senators, commissioners have also assembled in a call to remove Shettima, as Tinubu already have chosen his vice for 2027. There was a meeting. There was a meeting between between the governors of the northern region. They had a meeting, and in that meeting, they concluded that Shettima is going to step down, since that is what Tinubu actually wants. But then, they on their own are now making Tinubu to understand that